Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a fundraising website, and the platform that we'll be using to make the fundraising website is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is beginner friendly, so it is quite easy to use, and also you can get started for completely free. You don't need to sign up using your credit card or anything like that. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, sign up using your email address, then you're going to be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the next thing you're going to do is tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do now, right where you see the search bar, you're going to simply type in fundraiser, and from there you'll see fundraising event, drive-in fundraiser, drive-through fundraiser, or if you would like to create a scholarship fund website, any one of these options you can see right there. If you are creating a website for a crowdfunding campaign, you can also use this platform. But for this example, I'll select fundraising event, then I'm going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to enter the name of your fundraiser, or better yet, the name of your website. So let me do that. I'll simply call it Simply. Then I'll tap on next. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to pick the apps that you would like to have on your website. So for example, if you plan on selling anything on your website, you could simply tap right where you see Online Store. If you plan on creating a blog, you can tap on Blog. If you plan on adding your social media, for example, Instagram feed, you can simply tick Instagram right here. And if you plan on adding any groups or forums, you can simply tick the boxes. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Next. After tapping on next, you will be redirected to this page, and I would recommend that you tap right where you see begin with a template. The reason why I say tap begin with a template is you'll be able to use one of these beautiful professional looking templates instead of creating your website from scratch. So all you have to do is scroll down and pick a template that is to your liking. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one. All I would have to do is tap on Edit. After you have selected Edit, you are going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI creates your website. Once on this page, you'll see how your website looks at the moment. And the first thing I want you to do is simply go over to the left-hand menu option. And I want you to tap right where you see Add Elements. The reason why I want you to go to this section first is with this you'll be able to add anything to your website. So for example, if you would like to add text, all you have to do is tap on text, then from there you can select the text style that you would like to add. Also, if you would like to add an image, a button, anything at all to your website, you will find it in the Add Elements section. And you can do this on any page on your website. In fact, if you would like to create a new page on your website, all you have to do is tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner. So you're going to tap on Pages and Menu. And at the moment you can see that there are only 2 pages on this website. So if we would like to add a new page, we'll tap on Add Page at the bottom right here. And another thing that you can also do, if you would like to change the color or layout of the website, all you have to do is tap right where you see the capital A, which is Site Design. After you have tapped on that, from here if you would like to change the color theme, all you'll have to do is tap on Change Theme. Then let's say, for example, I want to change it to this color. All I have to do is tap on it, and you can see that the entire layout color has changed for the website. And also, to start editing, all you have to do now is tap on the section that you would like to change. So let's say I want to change the header section. All I have to do is tap on that section, then tap on Quick Edit. After I've tapped on quick edit, from there, if I would like to change the title, all I have to do is tap right there. Then I can type in the title. And also, if I would like to change another section, all I have to do is tap on that section. So if I'd like to change the background image, I can do that right where you see section background. You could tap on change right there. Also, if you would like to add social links, you can do that right there. So you can see you can change the image, you can change anything you want quite easily. All you have to do is tap on the section. And that's basically it on how to edit or create a fundraising website using Wix. And also, if you would like to, for example, set up your PayPal or anything like that to receive donations, all you have to do now, you would simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once you are finished with your changes, all you will need to do now is simply tap on preview in the top right hand corner. So let me tap on preview so you can see how it looks. And if everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website would go live. And also, if you would like to add, for example, your PayPal or any other payment option so that you can receive donations, all you have to do is go over to the top left hand corner. Then from there, you're going to simply hover over a site and you're going to tap on My Dashboard. On My Dashboard, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Then you're going to scroll down, and I want you to scroll down until you see billing and payments. You're going to hover over that, then you're going to select payments. After selecting payments, from here you will be able to select any one of these payment options. All you have to do is tap on manage payment methods. Then from there you can set up your PayPal account or any other payment method that you would like to use. So for example, you could tap on connect PayPal, or if you would like to add credit and debit card, you can tap on see more payment. And by the way, if you would like to add different apps, for example, to do other stuff, if you'd like to add a tip jar or so on, all you'll need to do is select apps. Then from there you could tap on app market and you could search for a particular app to add to your website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to create a fundraising website using Wix.